Hi guys, Caesar Cubes here, and today we have a little unboxing, so let's start opening this package. So as you can see here we have two cubes. This one is the last cube. You can watch it there. This is a very interesting cube. We can only turn the faces on the way the arrow says. For example, as this one, as you can see, it makes a sound. And well, this one is very interesting. I think it's gonna be hard. And this one is the Maltese gear cube. It's like a mix-up gear, but the real mix-up gear cube is this one. But this one is very similar. As you can see, if I make this move, I can continue moving the cube. This one, it's very interesting. I think that it's going to be a bit hard. So let's continue with the next package. I don't know what is this. Okay guys, so here we have the cubes. This one is the bandaged sun cube. It's from MF8. This one is very difficult. I'm excited about scrambling and then solving this cube. And this one is the deCETH cube. I don't know why it came with this turn. This cube was on the boxes of MF8 since a lot of time, so it's very good to have it here in my hands now. But let's continue with the other cubes. And finally, we're gonna open this cube. So guys, finally we have here the new cubes that we have opened. And I'm gonna start with this one. This is the More Madness pyraminx with the brand MF8. And this one is very hard. In fact, well, I'm gonna explain you the ones that I scramble and solve, the ones that I'm not going to scramble, and this one is one of them, because this one has a very strange turn. Something that I thought about this cube, it was that it was going to be quite similar to this one, the edge turning octahedron, for this kind of pieces that are something similar to these ones. And this kind of cube has a jumbling turn, such as the Pitcher Insanity, which in my opinion is easier than most of people says, but well, that's my opinion. So this cube has this kind of turn. As I told you, it's a jumbling turn. It's very difficult. I don't think if I could solve it, but well, maybe this one is one of the ones that I think that I could solve in a lot of days, but that's okay. So the next one, the last one that we opened is this one, the Gears cube. And this one I solved it once, the same day when I opened it, and it's pretty easy. I thought that it was going to be harder, but as you can see, I have the one with white body. I wanted the black one, but well, now we have it on the collection. In fact, I've noticed that a lot of cubes of this unboxing were of the gear kind. As I told you, it was very easy for me. I don't know if you have this cube and you have already solved it, but well, here we have it. And the next one is the deCETH cube. As you know, I uploaded a short about this cube, but something that I have to say is that I thought it was going to be a bit easier because, well, the corners were very easy, and the centers too. These pieces, they made me think, but it's okay. These kind of pieces are easy, but well, they were the lastest piece that I solved. As you know, a very good way to solve the cubes is solving them by hierarchy, and the last pieces by hierarchy were these ones, but these ones were a big problem. I found a cycle of 3 of them, but at the end I was able to solve it, but it's a very recommendable cube. Here we have another one that I haven't scrambled, the latch cube. I'm gonna make a short of this cube because it's very interesting, the mechanism inside the cube. But as you can see, here we have these arrows, and they show us the way we can turn the face. So I can make this turn, but the arrows makes this path, and if I want to turn on the other side, I can't because of the mechanism. As I told you, I'm gonna show it on a short, but I don't want to scramble this cube. I think that I'm not going to be able to solve it, I don't know. So let's pass to the next one. Here we have the bandage sun cube. I think I'm gonna buy the full version, you know, the version with all the cuts. I haven't scrambled this version. It has a little bad turn, but well, I think it's for the lot of pieces and no. So let's pass to the Maltese year cube. This one I think that is the hardest one here because, well, in this one you have to think about an algorithm that changes only some kind of pieces, but in this one, well, it's a year cube, so you have to care about the orientation of these pieces, and also well, when you make only a 45-degree turn, this cube turns into a mix-up cube. It's a very beautiful cube, and this one was the first one that I opened, as you know, and well, before having these cubes I didn't have any cube of the brand methods, but this one has a very good turn, so that's okay. And the next cube is this one, the molded cube. As you know, it's like a Sudoku. We have 9 colors instead of 6, and we have to scramble the pieces, well, to solve the cube so that a color can't be repeated in the same face. So I found the solution by myself. It wasn't as hard as I thought. Well, at the beginning I thought that it was going to be harder, but it was a bit easy, I don't know. Leave below in the comments if you have this cube and how was the first resolution that you give to the cube. The next one is this one, the pocket cube. And as you know, the only cube that I've never solved, well, of the ones that I've scrambled, is the Puppet version 1. And the pocket cube in some way is very similar, but well, and they have one big corner, in this case one big corner with the full pieces, and in this one big corner with all the pieces joined, but well, they are very similar. And I'm scared about this cube. I don't know if I could solve it. I think that this one is easier than the Maltesian cube, so I'm gonna scramble this one and this one no. But let's go with the last cube, the David's Year cube. And I don't know if you watched the short that I upload about a cycle of 3 pieces in this cube, but well, in fact, something that I have told you about that video is that and the algorithm that I've shown you in that video is not pure at all, because for example, if I want to as I showed you in the video, if I want to make a cycle of this piece, and this piece, I can do it doing the algorithm that I showed you 2 times, but at the same time these 3 pieces also have a 3 cycle, and that's why the up phase applying the algorithm has to be completely solved, so take care of that. But I'm very happy because I was able to solve this cube. This one has a very good turn of the gear part, but in the 2x2 turn it is a bit bad when you have to do this turn and then a 2x2 move. But it's a very good cube. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave your like, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time you got a parity. Goodbye.